Okay guys, real quick one. We got this 18 Jeep Compass right here, and they said that let's see, it has a they said that the auto start stop light comes on right here. See that? The screen's all like blurry, but that auto stop start up there, top corner right here, this comes up. And they sent me some codes, but I don't think they did a full system scan, because they sent me this dynamic torque request denied. So that keeps coming up, and there was an implausible data code that kept coming up. I think it was this one, this U code. You can see all these other codes we get, and let me show you guys this. So we got this battery code right here. It's battery performance. So if we shut this off, let's do a quick erase. I'll show you guys what does this. This car has 2 batteries. During cranking, it switches from the main big battery to the small battery to power up everything in the car. Like all the accessories, radio, all that stuff gets powered by this small battery, and during start-stop cycles, it'll run off the small battery inside the car when you come down. That's why when you come to a stop, you'll hear like the blower motor slow down, and that compared to normal, and that's because it's going off this small battery. Let's clear this again, and you'll be able to see this because there's a switch. It switches over. There's like a relay. So let's crank this. See that weird click that we just had? That weird click was because this dropped down too low, and now we probably had that battery performance code already. Did we get it? Nope, but you heard that weird click that it did when I went to start it. Watch, it does it again. You're not gonna do it. Oh, we got our code back. That's why it's not doing it. See, battery performance, and look at these codes we got. CAN bus off, see that? Active. That's because of that. So let's shut this off. I wish I had my lab scope with me. I forgot it. Or I'd get this on my lab scope. So it's going to be hard to see on the meter. Let's see, so our code's cleared. Shut this off. Let's try to start this up. Ready? See how it did that? And then it goes to crank. And that is because that battery's bad. Oops, did I pause this? Let's go into our PCM. Where's our ECM? Oh, my VCI can disconnected too. That's how low the voltage went, I guess. Let's go in trouble codes. I didn't realize it was disconnected. Yep, see, pending. So when this code sets, a lot of times it won't try the auxiliary battery. Let's try this again. Let's see. That, like, you hear that click and then it doesn't go anywhere. But that's how you know. I just wish I had a faster device here to show you guys. See, my VCI lost connection, because that's how low the voltage I went. So they need to change that. Here's the auxiliary battery. You might be able to take the terminals off of here and test it real quick. We gotta take the terminal off. 8.5 volts. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this one. See you guys later.